Everybody whip is fucked up. Even trucks and shit like that. Even the trucks, bro. Even the trucks, you know, but the Acura, you know, the Acura is gonna stand for sure. Damn. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yo, the Acura, bro, like, we got the Toyota, like, come on, y'all. This shit crazy. Acura gonna stand for sure, though. We ain't gotta stand about that. We ain't gotta talk about that. You feel me? Sweet me can tell y'all about Acura, man. Come on. Y'all know the Haitian old president tell you about Acura? That's a good car, man. Damn. Look at the, bro, that Toyota, bro. Come on, Toyota. It's not smoking. It's just, it's not smoking. It's just water. You feel me? Damn. Hey, let me put 10 on the truck, please. Oh, shit. Acura thing, let me put 10 on the truck. Let me put $8. Let me put $8 in there. $8 on pump 2. This one, not Acura. No, my car. Acura. This one, yes. Huh? $8, yeah. It's crazy, man. It's very flooded, bro. My car was. Yo. Thank you. What y'all think about this, though? What you think about this? Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm stuck.
Stuck, man. We're stuck. Babe, we got you, man. You finna be a millionaire soon, dog. I got you, so yeah. Oh, shit. I'm gonna bust my ass. Damn, bro. That's crazy. What happened to the truck? What? Damn, man. The car won't start? Hey, wait, y'all need a jump start? Look at this. There you go, baby. There you go. There you are. I ain't gonna lie. Top lit. That shit crazy.